So, it's the biggest festive season of the year. Do you find yourself wondering what to give your loved ones? What kind of gifts to select for them? If you find yourself lost or confused, then you're at the right place. This is Imrana. Hi and welcome to Inaya Pearls. I'm the founder and owner of Inaya Pearls, my online jewelry store. So, apart from jewelry, my other big passion is to help women look beautiful and feel beautiful. And if this interests you, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel and continue to watch and listen. So today we are going to talk about how to select the perfect jewelry gift for your loved ones during this festive season or any other occasion throughout the year. So jewelry is my passion for those of you who know me. So I love all types of jewelry, but I particularly love pearls and hence my pearl jewelry store. So I'll give you some tips here today to how to select the perfect pearl jewelry, but these tips can be applied to any kind of jewelry because the basic rules are kind of similar. So let's get on with it. So firstly, let me just share a few things. Inaya Pearls right now has gone, it is an online store, but the good news that I would like to share is that now we have a proper payment gateway on the website. So you can select anything, pick up anything from there and just pay from the comfort of your house and it will be delivered to you within 4 to 5 days. So that's something I wanted to share. And for this festive season, we have also started a special section especially for gifting. So the tips I'm going to share, you can use it for pearls or you can also use it for any kind of jewelry. So jewelry is basically a very personal choice. So if you know the person that you're selecting the gift for, then it's no problem. You know their choice and you know their taste. But there might be some people that you don't know you don't know what exactly they like and what exactly they would like to you're not sure, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So in that case I can give you some very simple and easy tips which you can use and select things for them. So when it comes to the safe jewelry options, let us first divide jewelry into, say, earrings, bracelets, necklaces and rings. These are the 4 basic types. Of course there are more things, but I'm talking about these 4 today. So let's begin with earrings. So in pearls we have something everyone knows about it, simple pearl stud. They just I'll just put in a few pictures here, but you all know what studs are. So I don't want to show you those simple studs because you all know what they look like. What I'd like to show you that basically before showing you, I want to share that studs, if you don't know a person very well, it's one of the best choices, right? From a young girl to an older woman, anybody can wear studs. So if you are confused about what to give a person, just give them a pair of studs. You can never really go wrong with it. So but instead of showing you simple studs, I'd like to show you something different, or let's say a little more interesting than a plain stud. So I don't know if you can see, I'll bring it closer. So this is our tiniest flower stud, I call it the flower stud, and this is a slightly medium sized flower stud. So these also make really good options, but if you're still not sure, then you can just give them a plain white or peach or lavender or grey color stud. You really can't go wrong with studs. Now if you know the person a little more, you can really give them something which is a little more playful in nature. A lot of women prefer dangling earrings, but you would need to know the person to know that whether they would like to wear dangling earrings or they want to wear just plain studs. So I'll just give you some simple options. So this is a peach simple dangle earring. A lot of women like it, a lot of don't. So it totally is your personal choice, but if you know the person, you can definitely select something like this. The same, so while I'm talking about pearls, but you can use these tips in generally for all types of jewelry. Same thing goes for dangle earrings, can be worn whichever metal you're selecting. It can be worn if you know the person, and also whether they prefer long dangles or short dangles. So this is of course a shorter dangle. So now we have something a longer dangle here, a mid length dangle, I would say. If you can see, this is just white pearls in a line, and these are 3 colors again, peach, white and grey. So these also are quite interesting, and they're they work well. Again, if you're not sure, white is a safer option, but I think personally this looks more interesting because it's got 3 shades. So this is the other option, and then you have something like this, 3 pearls in a row. Again, this we have in sterling silver and we have regular metal. Of course, the prices vary, but just for your information, our gifting range for especially for this festive season starts from around 800 onwards. So it's pretty affordable, and you can definitely have a look on the website and see if you like something. Another interesting thing is something like this. This is a real agate, and this is a coin pearl, a flat coin shape as the name suggests, and this is again a real jade here, coral color jade, and this is called aqua agate. So these again, you see here the interesting thing here, this is a regular hook earring. Here this is a detachable earring. So if you're not sure whether the person is a stud will prefer a stud or a hanging, you can give them this, because they can just wear this like this as a stud, or they can attach this longer part and make it into a long dangle. So this is the advantage. So you buy 1 earring, but you're actually it's like buying 2 earrings. So this is a good gifting option as well, and at Anaya Pearls we can customize your jewelry according to your taste, color preferences, pearl color, and so on. So you can use the same logic for buying any other kind of jewelry, even if it's not pearls, because again, length of the dangle, short dangle, medium dangle, long dangle, whatever the person prefers. If you know, great, otherwise you can buy safe options. Let's move on to the next piece of jewelry, which are bracelets. The bracelets are my personal favorite, and while there are lots and lots of bracelets that we have, and I can show you, but this one particular bracelet I want to really show you. I have shown it earlier, but this is the wire bracelet. I'll just show it to you, how you just wrap it around your wrist and you're done, you're good to go. So we have this in, this is a very good gifting option. It's priced very well, and there are 3 colors in this. So this is silver, then we have a gold color, and we have a rose gold for all the rose gold lovers out there. So there are 3 options. It's an amazing piece. It's one of my favorite pieces, and I feel this kind of, again, it's very safe. You're not buying an all pearl bracelet. Some people may not like it. You're buying a little metal and a little pearl. It's perfect. It's wearable it's good to wear for work, or if you're heading out somewhere, or just going for a casual outing. You can wear it anytime, anywhere. Super light, super easy and comfortable, and it looks really good. So this is a great option that we have in case you are interested. Other options are also like, here is another option I'll give you. These are very small pearls. So these are the smallest pearls that we have, and these are again red jade here. So we have a lot of options. Like we have another one option, the same design in green jade. So we have a lot of options like this, simple designs. These are kind of safe. Now, so in bracelets, you have to remember, and a very important thing when you select bracelets for anybody, the wrist size is very important. So if the wrist size is narrow like mine, then you delicate bracelets would look better. And if someone has like a medium wrist size, then something bigger would look better. Like for example, so I can show you here. See, these pearls are really tiny here, and as you can see, these ones are actually much larger. So depending on the wrist size, so if you know the size of their wrist, whether it's medium, small or large, you can select. That's a very important thing. So a chunky bracelet may not look good on a small wrist, but again, it depends on the choice. Some women with slim wrists also like bigger pieces. So it's complete. At the end of the day, it's your choice and the choice of the person you are selecting the gift for. But I'm just telling you a good option, good hack to use while selecting the gift. Okay, another option, we have another option in bracelets. We have a lot of options. I'm just giving you a few here. Again, it's a wire wrap around bracelet. You just wrap it around and it looks like bangles, but actually it's a bracelet, and it's made of 2 different color of pearls. light gray and blackish dark gray. So these are all the options. There's another one, a wire bracelet option like this. These are black pearls. They have beautiful rainbow colors in them, as you can see, though they're black, but you can see the colors of the rainbow here. So these are options in bracelets. Now let's come to the next part. That's basically necklaces or anything, strings, things like that. So now if you know the person and you know that they love pearl strings, and that's a great safe option. You know, most people do like that, but if there's someone who, a lot of women that I know don't like wearing much around their neck, so we have this super light option which you can look at. Now this is there are 3 different chain necklaces, pearl chain necklaces. This is white, as you can see. This one is the peach option, and this one is gray, as you can see. So these really sit closely around, they don't go really low, they sit around your neckline. So this is a great option for all the women, or you know, anyone you know who does not like to wear heavy neck pieces, or they don't like too much around their neck. This is a great option, again, like I said, so that it helps you whether you're selecting pearls or any other item of jewelry. It can easily be selected, either a heavy piece or a light piece. Again, there are a lot of delicate options even in other types of jewelry. So you can select those options, and again, people who like heavy necklaces and all, you can select those. So the same logic applies whether the jewelry is pearl or any other metal or anything else. So after this, the next item that we have are finger rings. So finger rings, I think Inaya Pearls luckily has adjustable sterling silver rings, so you don't have to worry about sizes in this case, unless someone's fingers are extremely thin. Then we might have to look at that, but largely these are adjustable, so they work for most people. So finger rings are a great option. Now if they're adjustable, that means you can select it for anybody. You don't have to worry about their finger size, so that's why we only keep adjustable ones. So this is a simple 3-color pearl ring: white, peach and lavender or pink. And we have different options, different designs. I'll put in 1 or 2 pictures here, and the rest, if you're really interested, please go to the website, have a look, inayapearls.com. We have now, as I mentioned, we have a gifting section specially, so a gift section, so to speak, where you can actually go and select. You can select anything from anywhere, but just to make it easier for you, we've kept some options which are more likely suitable for the gifting range. So I think with that I'll wrap up this video, and I don't want to make it too long. And so I'm sure that all of you are just excited and getting ready with all the prep for all of the festivities around the corner. I'll just say that stay safe, have fun, and have a great festive season ahead. And in advance, happy Diwali to all of you. Thank you.